folks, I have a cool 5-string banjo to show you today. This is Walnut and Pistachio. It's got a 12-inch rim. And the customer had several specific bits of input about the neck size and shape, and I think that's to accommodate their hands. So it's got a shorter scale length than I normally use, and a narrower nut width, and a low action. So it's a little bit of a challenge when I do that sort of thing. Some of the things that I take for granted or do naturally, I have to stop and think for a moment in the shop, but that's okay. The rim is walnut, just some kind of simple straight grain walnut with a cool pistachio rim cap. 12-inch rim with a brass tone ring on top. The neck is walnut, straight grain walnut from my friend Kath in Vashon Island. And then I used as much grafted and tractor blight pistachio as I could find for the fretboard and head plate to match the rim cap. Non-steel strings and a goatskin head. It really looks nice, and it is comfortable for me. It's a bit of a challenge with this neck setup, but I'm getting used to it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. That's number 821, ready to go.